My dear students, today we will go to the question number 17 up to question number 16 we have to complete it, and then question number 17 has tell us that in high school student thought of a plant tree in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. You people have to thought to plant in your schools surrounding your school to reduce the air pollution, and then you people have to decided that in which class you have to learn on the same a class, same number of plant you have to plant in your surroundings. If you learn in class 1, then you have to learn plant 1 tree. If you learn in class 2, then you have to plant 2 tree. Again you have to learn in class 3, and you have to plant 3 tree. Up to if you learn in class 12, then you have to learn you have to plant a 12 tree. A question has tell us that if there is a 3 section in here, each and every class, then you have you people have to plant class 1 3, class 2 6, class 3 9. Then class 1 will be plant 3 tree. If there is a 3 section, then class 2 will be plant 6 tree, class 3 will be plant 9 tree. Then we don't know class how many up to class 12, that is n is equal to n is up to class 12 and the value that is the 12. Then after that we have to find out the sum of the how many 12. The total plant कतिवटा रोपेको छ भनेर क्वेशनले सोधेको छ. Then s table is equal to question mark. This Sn is formula n by 2 bracket start to a plus n minus 1 into d our formula. Then n is 12 by 2 bracket start 2 into a means 3 plus n means 12 minus 1 into d means that is common difference. D is equal to formula we know a2 minus a1. A2 is 6, 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Our difference is how much? 3. Then in place of d we have to write a 3. Now we have to start to cancel. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, that is 6. Then after that in bracket we have to multiply 2 3 are 6 plus 11 and 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into how much? 3. Then after that 6, that base start 6 plus 11 3 is 33. Then 6 into, now you have to add 33 plus 6 is 39. Then after that you have to multiply 6 9 ja 54, carry 5, 6 is the 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. That means this 234 indicated that your school will be plant how many total plant will in your surrounding your school, that is 234. Then after that we'll go to the question number 18. We will complete question number 17. Now we'll go to the question number 18. 18 what tell us that a spiral is made of successive semicircle with center alternate A and B starting. Suppose हाम्रोमा यो एउटा point हो A point and it will be a B point, and then you have to make a spiral in a semicircle. Then after that on the same way you have to तिमीले के गर्नु same distance मा के गर्नु कतिवटा स्पिरल बनाउनु है त. that is total number of spiral is how much? 13. Then what is the total length of these 13 spiral भनेर क्वेशनले के गरेको छ सोधेको छ. त्यसो भए that is firstly we have to in your the radius of the first spiral is how much? 0.5. that is a1 is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Then a2 is a 1 centimeter, a3 is a 1.5 centimeter. Centimeter is given in your books. And then after that अब 13 वटा स्पिरलमा जम्मा लेन्थ कति हुन्छ भन्ने क्वेशनले के गरेको छ सोधेको छ. Then we have to find out the common difference, that is D is equal to formula is A2 minus A1. A2 value 1, 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. And question is tell us that what is the total length of 13 spheral? 13 वटा spheral को total length चाहिँ कति हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि we know right? If pi value is given, then S and Sn into pi total length is equal to that means total length equal to Sn into pi, or we have to write out pi into Sn. Pi value is 22/7 is given. Then Sn formula is n by 2. That we start to a plus n minus 1 into b. Then 22/7 into n means how much? 13/2, and bracket start 2 into a means 0.5 plus n means 13 minus 1 into 0. How much? 5. Now then 22/7 into 13/2 as it is you have to write, and 2 into 0.5 that is a 1.0 plus 12 into 0. How much? 5. Then after that you go to here then 22/7 into 13/2 and bracket start 1 plus how much? 6. 12 into 0.55 5 to the 10, 5 on the 5 plus 1 6, that is 6.0. Then again 22/7 into 13/2 into 7 unit we have to write. Then 7 is a cancel. Then 2 1 the 2, 2 11 the 22. Then 11 into how much? 13. What will be given in centimeter? Unit is centimeter. Then 11 13 the 11 3 are 33, carry 3. 11 on the 11 plus 3 is 14. 143 centimeter is the total length of this spheral. त्यसैले हाम्रो टोटल लेन्थ चाहिँ 13 वटा स्फेरिकलको कति हुँदो रहेछ 143. क्वेशन इज लेन्थी but sum is not so length, it is short and sweet. Then after that we will go to the question number 19. In question number 19 what should be given on there? Question number 19 मा अब के कुरा के गरेको छ दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि in question number 19 200 logs are attached in the following manner. 20 logs in bottom row. मुनिको लाइनमा कतिवटा छ अरे त 20 वटा छ. त्यसको अलिकति माथि कतिवटा छ 19 वटा, एक एउटा कम्ती अड छ. And then third row मा कतिवटा छ अरे त 18 वटा. In the row next to it and so on. अनि त्यस्तै 17 16 15 हुँदै हुँदै के गरेको छ अरे त मुडा के गरेको छ एउटा थाक बनाएर के गरेको छ अरे त राखेको छ भने how many row are in the 200 log place. जम्मा 200 वटा मुडा राख्दाखेरि कतिवटा रो हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशनले सोधेको छ. And then how many logs are in the top row. टप मा चाहिँ कतिवटा मुडा हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशनले सोधेको छ. Then in question number 19 our bottom row मा लास्ट मा कति छ रे त क्वेशन इज टेल अस दैट 20 and second row मा 19 third row मा 18 छ. Then we have to find out the common difference. D is equal to that is A2 minus A1, that is 19 minus 20 equal to how much? Minus 1. Their common difference is minus 1. And then total number of log in these stack is how much? Total log is 200, that is Sn is 200. Then we have to apply the formula Sn. Then Sn formula is n by 2, bracket start 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to how much of 200. अब n को value देखते ना, how many row are there? We have to find out the n. N by 2, but we start 2 into how much? First term is 20 plus, and is not given n minus 1. Their difference is minus 1 is equal to how much? 200. Then next step, n by 2. This question is important also. 2 into 20 40 plus. Then after that you have to remove again. Plus into minus, minus 1 into n minus into minus plus 1 1 1. Then we have to remove the bracket and we remove bracket, remove. Then again we have to combine the like terms. N by 2 bracket start 40 plus 1 minus n equal to how much? 200. Then after that we go to here. N by 2 bracket start 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n equal to 200. Then after that we have to remove a bracket. अब n ले कसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु 41 माइनस n लाई अनि 2 into को मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु 200. Then after that n 41 n minus n square equal to how much? 400. Then after that you people have to make a standard form of a quadratic equation. 400 minus 41n यसलाई यता लाँदा 41 plus 40 n square यता के रहेछ 0. Then after that again arrange in the standard form of a quadration, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this form you have to prepare. Then n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Then now we have to do middle term taking factorizations. Then multiply गर्दा 400 हुनु पर्यो, एडर सब्ट्र्याक्ट गर्दा कति हुनुहुन्छ 41. Then n square minus कति कति त भन्दाखेरि हामीले पहिला के गर्नु 400 लाई एलसीएम गर्नु 2 to the 4 200 to कति त 100 to 50 to 25 5 then 2 to the 4 2 to the 8 8 to the 16 5 by the 25 16 and 25. Then we have to write 25n minus 16, and if you add this one 25 and 60 and you will get 41n. If you multiply 25 and 60 you will get 400 plus 400 equal to 0. Then after that we have to take a common n, make a PR. Then n minus 25 minus यहाँ पनि कति लेख्नु n minus 25 25 how much 400, that is 16. 25 ले 400 लाई डिवाइड गर्नु 16 पल्ट जान्छ. Then n minus 16 will write n minus 25 is equal to 0. Then again I have to complete it. A complete solution के गर्नु हामीले find out गर्नु. Complete solution find out गर्दाखेरि either n minus 16 is equal to 0, n is equal to how much 16, or n minus 25 is equal to 0, n is equal to 25. अब 16 वटा मुडा हो कि 16 वटा रो हो कि 25 वटा हो लाइन हो मुडाको थाको भन्दा हामी थाहा छैन, तर हामीले के गर्नु we have to A16 is equal to our formula is A plus 15D. Then A is how much 20. A means 20 plus 15 into their D is kati minus 1. Then 20 minus 15 1 the 15, that is kati how many 5 is positive. Again you have to do A किन m को value 25 छ नि A 25 you have to find out and then A 25 means A plus 24D A means 20 plus 24 into minus 1 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4 अब के हुँदैन भन्दाखेरि हाम्रोमा टपमा के हुँदैन नेगेटिभमा के हुँदैन लग्स हुँदैन जहिले पनि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि केमा हुन्छ त पोजिटिभमा हुन्छ त्यसैले हामीले के कुरा बुझ्छौं भन्दाखेरि टप रोमा हाउ मेनी लग्स इन द टप रो देयरफोर है हाउ मेनी लग्स इन द टप रो भन्दाखेरि 5 लग्स है इन a top row first answer then a top row मा कतिवटा रहेछ 20 logs and then a how many row are there that is a 16 row therefore number of row equal to how much 16 this is our final result this question is important for your exam also then at last we'll go to the question number 20 what should be given in question number 20 firstly you have to discuss and then solve the problem then question number 20 is tell that in a potato race a bucket is placed in the starting point suppose के गरेको छ त एउटा लाइन छ यहाँ के राखेको छ त suppose you people have to keep a bucket on here and here is के छ त then you people have to run to here अब तिमीले के छ त फर्स्ट पोटेटो यहाँ छ सेकेन्ड पोटेटो यहाँ छ थर्ड पोटेटो यहाँ छ but there यहाँ क्वेशनले के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि in a bucket run to pick up the next potato पहिला के गर्नु पर्यो firstly you have to go from here again come here and अब यहाँ के गर्नु पर्यो त लगेर के गर्नु पर्यो हाल्नु पर्यो फर्स्ट पोटेटो टिपेर फेरि second potato you have to pick up then come to here this point and again यहाँ के गर्नु पर्यो त तिमीले हाल्नु पर्यो र क्वेशनले के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि in a potato race bucket is placed the starting point which is 5 meter from the first potato त्यसो भए अब बकेटबाट यो चाहिँ कति रहेछ त 5 मिटर रहेछ and then फेरि अर्को चाहिँ कति रहेछ त 3 मिटर अनि अर्को पनि कति रहेछ त 3 मिटर भनेपछि हामीले के कुरा बुझ्यौ भन्दाखेरि our first term is 5 and their difference कति छ रे त 5 मिटर छ फर्स्ट पोटेटो अर्को 3 रहेछ their difference is 3 that means 8 मिटर भयो यहाँ चाहिँ यहाँसम्म चाहिँ कति मिटर भयो यहाँबाट यहाँ कति भयो मिटर भयो 8 मिटर त्यस्तै गरी र यहाँ चाहिँ कति छ 8 plus 3 कति भयो त 11 मिटर भयो भने इच एन्ड एभ्री देयर डिफरेन्स शुड बी कति छ रे त 3 मिटरको डिफरेन्स छ भने त्यसो भए in question number 20 that means first term is our 5 and second term is 11 second term is how much 8 then their difference should be कति त रे त 3 each and every potato distance कति छ रे त 3 मिटर छ अनि अब there are 10 potato in the lines यहाँ जम्मा कतिवटा पोटेटो छ 10 वटा पोटेटो that is n is equal to कति रे त 10 भने क्वेशनले के सोधेको रहेछ लास्टमा भन्दाखेरि a completer start from the bucket pick up the next potato run back with it drop in the bucket run back to the pick up the next potato run to the bucket to drop it in and she continue in the same way with all the potato are in the bucket what is the total distance of the completer has to run मतलब यो 10 वटा पोटेटो हालिसक्दाखेरि एउटा पोटेटोलाई पनि दुईपल्ट रन गर्नु पर्छ अनि यो 10 वटा पोटेटोको लागि उले कति डिस्टेन्स के गर्नुपर्छ कभर गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने सोधेको छ then the total means sn is equal to how much s10 is equal to formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 to d is our formula. Then n means 10. 10 by 2 bracket start 2 into a value is of 5 plus n. N means how much? 10 minus 1. Their difference should be how much given in their books? 3. Then 2 like answer 10 like got 5. Then 2 into 5 10 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 into how much? 3. Then after that 5 bracket start 10 plus 9 3 the 27. Next step is 5 into 37. 27 plus 10 is 37. Now again we have to multiply. 5 7 is 35. 33. 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 18. 185 meter. That competitor has to run के गर्नुपर्छ अरे त त्यो कम्प्युटरले जम्मा 185 मिटर चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ रन आउट गर्नुपर्छ कतिवटा पोटेटो हालिसक्नुको लागि 10 वटा पोटेटो हालिसक्नुको लागि है नेक्स्ट डे अनवर्ड्स विल गो टु द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री है थ्यांक यू फर टुडे